welcome to Hi Now. TruTag was founded in 2011, and here to tell us a little bit more about this product and how it's keeping people safe, we have Craig Leidholm here.
We are passionate about authentication of drugs, right, and identifying the fake drugs that are out there. A lot of people have heard about fentapills. These are fake drugs. They look altogether like the opioids that you and I would get from our doctors, but they're not. They're fake. There's usually no drugs in them. And these are pills, these fentapills are typically from cartels, and they're there to get consumers addicted to drugs.
And so what TruTag is able to come in and really help people identify, right, and really keeps illicit medicine from the hands of the pharmaceutical supply chain.
That's exactly right. We're trying to enable the consumer themselves, you and me, with our cell phone in our hand, be able to identify and authenticate the drugs that we're consuming.
This issue is a lot more prevalent than people may think, right?
It is. A report just came out, and about 3/4 of the ODs last year were due to fentapills. 75,000 deaths are attributed to fentapills.
And this is just from consumers taking things that they're getting from pharmaceutical companies and not knowing what they are?
Exactly right. And a lot of times we think of these as being foreign countries' problems, but they're now on our shores. They're in our communities, in our homes, in our schools, even in our dormitories. College students who are self-medicating with Adderall or things like that, they oftentimes would get these through online sources, even Instagram, believe it or not, through acquaintances, and there's no way for them to know if these are legitimate drugs or not. And too often they're not, and there are dire consequences.
Tell us a little bit about the technology that's now available, technology that you guys have developed that people can just use their cell phone and it can be as easy as that to know exactly what they're putting in their body.
Absolutely. So what we've developed is what's called it's a microparticle. It happens to have a reflectance that the cell phone camera can see. You and I can't see it because it's actually smaller than the width of your hair. These are extremely small and covert, but they're on the outside of that tablet, and when queried by our cell phone app, you can actually identify those and then authenticate that tablet that's in your hand.
Craig, obviously with something like TruTag, it's important that the word gets out. Mm-hmm. So how has the Chamber of Commerce of Hawaii really supported TruTag and what it's been able to do now, especially here locally?
Sure, absolutely. Yeah. Chamber of Commerce has been tremendously helpful, as well as DBEDT and HTDC Innovate, to help us get the word out, educate the community, and educate not just Hawaii, but also the mainland to the risks that are involved and some of the tools that are available for them.